Hi guys, welcome back. Now on this particular step we're going to look about joining some traffic programs. Now depending on when you're watching this video, these traffic programs may well change and I'll probably add to them or maybe take some away. Just bear in mind that under step 4 we're going to have the video, I'll slot a video in here somewhere, and it says activate the traffic programs. Now what will definitely be in there will be wholesale premium traffic. Okay, that is a Warrior Plus product. And this, I don't know if I've got the tab open for it. Let's have a look. Yes, here we go. This is wholesale premium traffic. Now, this has been around a long time. You've got Sean Askew and Gabe. Sean Askew's been in the traffic game for quite some time, and they got some very, very good offers here. It's all hosted on Warrior Plus. It's all above board, and you don't get a massive clicks. It's not like ordering a solo ad from, say, Udemy. You order, say, 300 clicks off of there. You'll get this surge of traffic for 24, 48 hours or more, until your clicks run out. What you'll get here, you'll get a steady flow of clicks over, say 2 or 3 weeks time. So if you order say 200 clicks over sort of 2 to 3 weeks, you'll get an amount of clicks per day until they're up. Now the wholesale premium traffic, they're pretty good. A high amount you get quite a good opt-in rate, and a lot of them do verify their emails. They do take a little bit of nurturing and warming up. So if you've got a good follow-up series, we give them some value, give them some tips, give them some giveaways, warm the market up. But a lot of them do definitely verify their initial email, and then it's down to yourself. It's just an advantage. And as you can see, they start from the premium US-only traffic, or if you're on a slightly smaller budget, you can come down to 200 clicks. It's the lowest package they do at 34 cents a click, $68 for quality unique traffic. And that's around about, as you can see, 80% tier 1, and it goes up to 100% tier 1 for quality tier 1 traffic. Or if you want the better premium US only traffic, you're going to pay 50 cents a click. So again, still not really expensive, it's affordable traffic. Okay, so let's go back to the other ones. So wholesale premium traffic will be there. There may be a couple of others that are not on this video at the moment. What I've done there at the moment, though, I'll put in 3 of Darren Olander's sites. Now, the reason I'm putting Darren Olander's sites is because they are quite proactive. Darren Olander's got 6 or 7 sites, and here are 3 of his well-known ones: AdChiever, List Serving, a List Jumper. These are very good for things like login ads. Okay, I think I've got AdChiever open if it's still over there. It's probably going to log me out, but for his login ads, I'm probably going to be logged out, but I'll go back to the main page. But basically, you come when you're in your dashboard, you come over here, you've got ads, and you've got login ads, and you can buy credits. So if you go into buy credits, I'll try it, but it might have logged me out because it's been a while since I've gone to this page. So I might have to log back in. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm still logged in, that's good. But as you can see, login ad credits range from 100 up to 1,200. And as you can see, login ad credits 1,200. They're only $10, guys. Some of these sites charge a lot more than that, and especially a site like this, one Darren's AdChiever site. The reason I put it on this list is especially if you're starting out and you're on a sort of slightly lower budget, you can do packages like this. You can come along and even get, say, 500 login ad credits. Yeah, that's only going to cost you, $5. A login ad, as you probably will know, when you log into a site, you see an ad, and down the site you see them for 20 seconds. Okay, and what I like about it, if you go onto Darren's site, if you ever hit any Darren's site, you hit the upgrade tab. Okay, what I like about it, what it will always do, it will show you how many active people there are. So as you can see, there are 797 active readers. Even though you get a lot of these sites, they will say this: email up to 1,500 random members. You never know how many of those are actually active. A lot of sites don't tell you. Darren's sites always tell you how many there are. So there's 797 active readers. So that shows you there are, call it 800 active members. So if you're going to buy a login ad for $5 or $10, that's going to get you, say, 500 views, which is what it is. One credit is one view. So if you get the 500 one, for example, just for $5, you're going to get that. That's going to be shown to 500. Remember, you get 500 eyeballs on there for a very low cost. So again, it's cheap advertising. If you know anything like some top marketers online, such as Jeff Amon and people like that, they're very big on login ads. You'll see a lot of the big marketers using them because it's eyeballs at the end of the day. They've got to view this ad for 20 seconds before they click off. So if you've got a good splash page, and I've got one that I use, see a lot I'm using it for Affiliate Mentor that I've created. I took this from a different page, just edited it around. But as you can see, it's nice and bold, nice and bright. It catches your eyes. Wait, turn $25 one time into 500 daily. Huge passive commissions. Automated AI system works 24/7. Recently launched. Click here to get started now. Weekly pay plus promote any business at the same time automatically. There's enough information on there in that 20 seconds. People are going to be able to read that in 20 seconds. It's easy to read. And if they go to exit out the page, they're going to get the pop. You're going to get my image up there. Where would you like us to send you the strategy and get access to the free video? Okay. And then they'll get the same thing as they click that. All right. So these are good sort of attention grabbing ads. So don't go into too much detail anyway. Let's go back to where I was. So that's why I put these here. They're free to join. So sign up for these. Look at the login ads and also look at the upgrades. If I go back to the upgrades over here, because they're quite worth it. They're quite low cost. I'm using just the AdChiever site as an example. But if you look at say upgrade in here, you can see you've got free, you've got platinum, diamond, elite. So you see it's just the platinum. You can come down for the platinum. It's only $9.97 a month. It's $10 a month. Yeah. And for $10 a month, you're going to be able to email up to 1,500 random members every 3 days. No credits needed. But you've got 800 readers near about. So every 3 days, you can come in and email, say, 800 active readers. Yeah. So every 3 days, it's 10 times. So you're going to get 8,000 members that you can mail to every month on those steps. Yeah. So for $10 a month, pretty good. Plus you're going to get all the other little features. You can have 5 login ads in rotation. You can have 5 banner ads, and you can save any pre-written emails to 10 email ads. So these are nice, good upgrade. That's why they're in there. That's why I put them in there. So that's the traffic and resources. These programs may change. If they change, they're for a reason. So there may be more than this, or there may be less than this or whatever. But activate the traffic programs, go through and join them. They're going to get results. The more things like this, especially when you've got low cost ones coming in, it's just eyeballs at the end of the day. You get more people viewing what you have to offer. Okay, once you've done the traffics, you're going to click done, and you're going to continue to my training and resource page. If I click on that, and this is a funnel page that was initially built by another Warrior Plus vendor. We just take my page and make it your own, which is exactly what I have done. Okay, now this is what I've called my Traffic Fortune Super Funnel. I've got videos here that you can go through to create easily, grabbing different done for you funnels and different forms of traffic. Okay, you've got promo codes to get 20 solo ads on each of these sites. This comes from the guy Amar, that was a Warrior Plus vendor that I bought some products from. I've got a funnel training page from it, and I've got traffic generating programs and recurring commissions. So go through this page. Okay, I've got a video here that explains it, or is a complete walkthrough for the video. Go through that at your own pace, and that'll put all your traffic and resources together. Will these things take a little bit of time? Sometimes, yes. But good thing about when you've got traffic and resource programs set up, once you've got them together, once you've done the work and put it out there, then it's normally there for good. You don't have to go back and do it. Especially when you've got these little recurring programs, such as the traffic and resource page. If you come onto here and you come down and you join a program such as the Click Engine or Get Targeted Clicks or whatever, they're very low cost, high value, and you're going to get this trickle of traffic coming in over the month. And also because they're low cost, if people come in and join here, obviously you've got your affiliate links tied to these tabs. When they join for you, you only need, say, a couple of referrals normally, and that's going to cover your monthly cost. Anything after that is profit. But even if, say, you've got the 2 people, 3 people, and the most that you'll need to break even, you've then got free traffic coming in guaranteed on a monthly basis. So it's not a case of people say, oh, but I can't afford to do that. I can't afford to do that. Don't look at it like that. Bring people in through your funnel. Bring people in through your resources and say to them, get on board, and then once you have, they get a couple of people behind you. This traffic, it's paid traffic, is going to be free because you're going to get a couple of referrals that are going to do the same thing, and it's going to be paid for. So it doesn't become paid traffic anymore. So that's the traffic. It's sort of rambled on a little bit. Go through the programs, join what you can, upgrading what you can, and just get it all moving together. So there's all these moving parts. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.